Let the one top do the cooking with dual precision temperature tracking. One top takes the guesswork out of cooking. Cooking options are: slow cook, low and slow with no extra hardware. Pan deep and stir fry. Heat your pan faster and hold it at a precise temperature. Sous vide hold, liquid temperature within 1 degree. The one top was engineered to be the most versatile appliance in your kitchen. The product is durable and of good quality. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. This is a really useful product, big enough to get the job done but small enough to fit in my small NYC apartment kitchen. A lot of full-sized appliances don't fit comfortably on my kitchen counter under the cabinets. And space on my counters is like space in my bookshelves. When something comes in, something's got to go out to make room, so each appliance needs to earn its space. The great thing about this is the base has a small footprint and can easily be tucked into the corner, and the two tops, either the blender or food processor, can click right in. Swapping them out is very simple: pull up and push down. I keep the blender on the counter most of the time, and the processor in the cabinet until I need it. I was a little concerned that the blender would be too weak for all the smoothies and piña coladas we drink in my home, but it has been great. Food processor made perfect hummus. Although you can only make 1 can at a time, it only holds 3 cups. This line appears to be a more affordable sub-brand for Cuisinart, so don't expect stainless steel and high-end controls. It's pretty basic and all plastic, but it is lightweight and compact, which are the key for me. It's also very simple to use. I never thought it necessary to have 10 speeds on a blender and always struggled with my old large Cuisinart food processor. I've only had this a few weeks, so I can't speak to its longevity, but it seems pretty hearty so far. Definitely a keeper.